we'll come over to our dashboard, and on this dashboard interface, this is where we're going to be registering our customer and what we are showing for them. We have 3 customers registered: a working customer, John Doe, and Sarah Lovely. We are taking John Doe. That he has an account number of JT2, so I'm going to enter his account number JT2 and click on search. Then this is his record. His record has been selected. To record what he's showing, I'm going to be entering the first service, and the first service is a suit. So John Doe is showing a suit. The quantity is 1, and the price of the suit, let's assume, is 150,000. So I'm going to enter the amount. I will add this to cart. He's also showing senator wear, and the quantity also is 1. Then the price for this, let's assume, is 100,000. So we're going to enter 100,000. Add this to cart. Then for his wife, the wife is showing a bridal gown, and the quantity, let's assume, is 1, and the price for this, let's say, is 500,000. We can add this to cart. Then we're entering the last. Let's assume also she's showing a gown, and the quantity is maybe 1, and the price for this maybe is 300,000. So we're going to enter the fee, click add to cart. So we're going to confirm that each of these services is correct. As you can see, you can select today's date. The date for this is today. Then the delivery date, when are we delivering the services? Let's assume these services is going to be delivered on the 1st of April. We're going to enter the delivery date. The delivery date is on the 1st of April. Then once we have confirmed that all these are the services we are offering him, you can now go to payment. What are the modes of payment? Is it transferring? Is it you can check here. You have is it transfer, POS, cash, or check, or not paid? If he's not depositing any money till when we are delivering, you can select not paid. Or if he's paying, is it check, cash, POS, or transfer? In this case, let's assume it was POS he used in paying, and his money has totaled to 1,050,000. Then you can go ahead. You can enter amount paid. Let's assume he's paying 1 million. So let's assume he's depositing 1 million for these jobs that he's ordering. You can now see that he has a balance of 50,000 to pay as at when he's going to be taking the job. Once we have cross-checked that everything is okay, you can go here and click on generate receipt. A receipt for that transaction is going to be generated. You can see this can be your company's name, the address, the phone number, whatever you want to fix can go in here. The invoice number of this transaction is 071. The name is John Doe. This is his account number. You can see date ordered is today. Delivery date is on the 1st of March. Then these are all the services for him and the wife. These are the clothes will be sewing for him and his wife. Then the total amount you can see is 1,050,000. Customer's balance doesn't have any balance. There was no discount. Amount paid was 1 million. Remaining balance is 50,000, and the mode of payment is POS. So you can go and save this if everything is okay. Then we go ahead and print a receipt. So here's a PDF version of the receipt that can be printed out and forwarded to him, maybe on WhatsApp or social media, or you can generate a thermal printer receipt for him. So this is a thermal printer receipt for the transaction. You can see that all the items are captured correctly. The suit is 1. Look at the amount, the senator wear, the bridal gown, and the gown that the wife is sewing for the wife. Everything is captured there. You can also see all the details of the transaction is appearing here. So you can go ahead and print this. You can print this for him, or you can also generate it as a PDF. So to print a standard invoice, I'm going to click on update invoice. Then what I'm going to do, I would enter the invoice number of that transaction, which is 071. Once I enter 071 and click on search invoice, it's going to search out all the items on that invoice. You can see the suit, the senator wear, the bridal gown, and the gown itself. Now what we want to do here is to update the receipt to a standard receipt. Is to update the invoice to a standard invoice. So to do this, I'll click on update, and once I click on update, here under details, I'm going to enter his measurement. This is where we're entering his measurement. So let's assume this is a measurement, basic measurement for the suit, the chest measurement, waist, hip, shoulder width, the thigh, the knees, the seam, and every other thing for this. Then we can also add the image for the suit he chose. So I'll click on choose file. Then under choose file, let's assume this is a suit he chose that he wants to sew. I can click on open. Now this is a suit that he wants us to sew for him. You can add the image, and I'll click on update item, and it's going to update that item. Then next I can come to the senator wear, click on update. Let's assume these are the measurement for the senator wear. I would enter it. You can see the out seam and everything is well captured. I'll choose the file for the senator wear. Let's assume this was the style he chose. I can click on open and update this item. Then for the bridal gown, I can click on this. Then you can see the bust measurement 32, the waist 24, the hip 34. All the measurement can go in here. Then I can choose the style. Let's assume you chose this bridal gown. This is a gown that you're sewing for the client. You can select it and update the item. Then last but not the least, we can come to the gown, and for the gown we can select the image for the gown. Let's assume this is a gown she wants to sew. You select the image, paste it in here, and boom, update this. Once this has been done, it is now possible to print a standard receipt for this invoice. So once we enter the invoice number, I'll come here and select print standard receipt. Once I select print standard receipt and click on search invoice, it's going to bring out a standard invoice. Now here's the standard invoice of this receipt, carrying your company logo, the name, your address, your phone number, the name of the customer, the invoice number, the account number, date ordered, delivery date. You can now see that everything is showing. Now look at the invoice. It's carrying the service is a suit, the quantity is 1, the price is a price, the total is the total of it. Now you can now see that all the measurement is reflecting here. The senator wear is here. This is for the senator wear. This is the style we're sewing for him. You can see that all the measurement is captured. For the wife's bridal gown, you can see that the measurement or whatever details you want to put in here can be reflecting here for her. Then for the gown for the wife also, look at all the measurements can be here. Then you can now see the total of this is the total amount is showing, the discount, the remaining balance generated by admin. Whoever has generated this report is going to show. Then if you want to print this, you can go ahead and print this that you can send to your customer. Now this is the final receipt that can be saved as a PDF and sent to your customer or client.
Features: track multiple customer orders efficiently, provide clear invoices, charge per item, store customer details, offer repeat service discounts, accept cash, POS, transfers, check, manage costs and monitor revenue growth. You can choose between the offline and online version. You can access it on your phones. Monitor the general activities of your business from the admin panel. Perform backup and restore and lots more. Get a customized quote today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe now for more software demos. Contact us for pricing and demo. YouTube, JT Technology Solutions. WhatsApp, +2348130441827. Email, jtechnologysolutions@gmail.com. Facebook, JT Technology Solutions. Don't wait, take your business to the next level with JT POS Software.